Welcome to Learner Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to find the vertex of a quadratic equation. So we have a question here. It says find the vertex of f of x is equal to x squared plus 8x plus 10. If your equation does not have f of x just means y. So you can replace this with y if you want. Okay, so first we need to find the h and k coordinates to find the vertex. The h coordinate would represent the x on the graph, and the k would represent the y. So to find the first set of coordinates, we're going to use the equation to find the h. So here h is equal to negative b over 2a, or opposite of b over 2a. So here is the a, here is the b, and here is a c in the quadratic equation. So we're going to write h is equal to negative. Now we need to find the b, which here we decided is b. We have b, c, and a. So negative b, which is 8 over 2 times a, which it doesn't show anything here, but there's actually a 1 in front of the x. So we're going to continue to simplify, and we get negative 8 over 2, which can be simplified further to be negative 4. So here we know the h is equal to negative 4. Now we still need to find the k coordinate. And to do that, everywhere we see x, we're going to plug in negative 4. Because remember, h is also the x coordinate. So I'm going to write down f of x, or negative 4, is equal to negative 4 squared plus 8 times negative 4 plus 10. And we go through and solve. We just drop down the f of x is equal to negative 4 squared, which would be negative 4 times negative 4, would be positive 16, plus 8 times 4 would be, 8 times negative 4 would be negative 36. So write down negative 8 times negative 4 would be negative 32, and then plus 10. Then we combine everything, so f of x is equal to 16 minus 32, which is negative 16, plus 10, which would be negative 6. So we know that k is equal to negative 6. So our vertex would be the h coordinate, which is negative 4, negative 6. This is our vertex. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.